Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do story mode on TikTok. So like Instagram, TikTok has also a story feature where you can upload only a story, not a post. So here I'm going to show you how you can do it. First, you can just click on the plus icon on the TikTok apps, and after that here you can click on this story tab. So just swipe to the left like this, click on story, and here you can choose between you can record a video or maybe a photo, and you can also choose the effects that you want to use. So here just select the effects that you want, and you can just, for example, I'm going to take a picture. So just place your camera like this and just click on the blue button to capture or start recording a video. Here you can also do some edits. You can add tags, stickers, you can also add a filter or effects, and you can also add musics. And if you are done, you can just click on the your story options to upload it. So now my story is uploading. You can see in here at the top left corner. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.